All right, so for this video, we're going to cover gradients, color gradients for Tailwind and even CSS, regular CSS. So let's jump into this Creative Tim site right here. Is a great way to kind of test what works and what doesn't work. So you pick a from color, so let's say pink, and then a to color is the where it'll go to. So let's say a dark red. So you can see what it'll do here, and you can mess around with it. Maybe put an orange. I think gradients make things pop way more than just standard colors. So let's go with this for now. It'll give you the CSS, the class right here. You copy this and you put it into your Tailwind. So we're using just regular Tailwind. So we'll create a div like we talked about in our other videos. A div, give it this class. Also give it a height and a width and close the bracket. And there you go. But that same thing can be accomplished with regular CSS. So CSS gradients. So with regular CSS, it's a little bit different, but it's very similar. So right here, we'll just do a linear gradient, which is just a basic linear gradient. And this gives you a lot more flexibility here. You can mess around with this. But so we'll start with just this linear gradient, background linear gradient. Plug it into your CSS. Remember, CSS is usually in a separate file, and Tailwind is in the actual HTML itself. So we're going to use it in a separate file. So CSS, simple linear, and we'll give it that. We'll get rid of this gradient, and we'll make it simple linear. And that's what we're working with right there. That's pretty nice. And you can change the colors right here. So you can change blue, green, red, whatever you want to make it. And then you can change the direction of it. You can make it diagonal. So to bottom right, blue and pink. We'll try that. So it changes the direction a little bit. Yeah, you just mess around with it. Use the MDN docs are great for learning regular CSS, and then the Tailwind docs are great for learning Tailwind, as well as this Creative Tim site for all kinds of different gradients that you can use that are just really nice. So, yep, that's the basics on gradients.